everyone. My name is Ananya. I am studying in first standard in the Independence National Festival of India. We got freedom on this day. I love my country. Jai Hind. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Srasti. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day. India got freedom on 15th August 1947. We are celebrating Independence Day. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanking you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Darshika. Happy Independence Day to all. India got its freedom on 15th August 1947. We are lucky to live in your country. I love my country very much. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good morning, everyone. My name is Darshana. Happy Independence Day to all. India got its freedom on 15th August 1947. We are lucky to live in a free country. I love my country very much. Jai Hind. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kishan. I study in second standard. Today is 15th August. It is Independence Day of India. I love my country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning to all. My name is Viyash. I am studying 5th standard. Today I am speak words about freedom fighters. Freedom fighters are known as the real heroes of our country because they are the reason for we live in a country free. Freedom fighters are very brave and great people. Thanking you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Happy Independence Day.
Good morning to all. My name is Hasni. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to speak about Rani Velu Nachiyar. Rani Velu Nachiyar was a queen of the Sivagangai kingdom in Tamil Nadu. She is known as Veeramangai by the people from Tamil Nadu. She was born on 3rd January 1703 in Tamil Nadu. She was well trained in martial arts, horse riding, silabam and archery. Thank you. Happy Independence Day to all. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Danshika. I am studying in 5th standard. Today we are celebrating Independence Day. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of India. Morning, everyone. My name is Kritika. Today is Independence Day of our country. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We celebrate it on 15th August every year. 15th August 1947, Indian got freedom from British ruled. Our brave freedom fighters sacrificed their whole life for our freedom. We should be grateful to our brave. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanjita. Today is the 15th August. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This year, we are celebrating 79th Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of our country. We got freedom on this day, 15th August 1947. On this day, thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Sara Adivasuma. I am studying 5th standard. Today I am going to speak about Independence Day. Today, 15th August, we celebrate the Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. Thank you. Jai Hind and Happy Independence Day.